Life is full of uncertainty, and making the right decisions often feels like a guessing game. But what if there was a smarter way to think? That's where Bayesian thinking comes in, a method that helps you update your beliefs based on new evidence. Let's dive into what Bayesian thinking is, how it works, and how you can use it to make better decisions. What is Bayesian thinking? 1. Definition. Bayesian thinking is a way of reasoning that uses probabilities to update your beliefs when you encounter new evidence. 2. Key principle. Start with what you know, and adjust your understanding as new information comes in. 3. Named after Reverend Thomas Bayes, an 18th century mathematician who developed the foundational ideas behind this concept. Example: imagine you're deciding whether to carry an umbrella. You start with your initial belief, there's a 30% chance of rain today. If you see dark clouds forming, you adjust your belief to increase the likelihood of rain and decide to take the umbrella. How Bayesian thinking works. 1. Start with a prior belief. 1. What it is, your initial estimate or assumption about the likelihood of something happening. 2. Example: based on past experiences, you might believe there's a 20% chance your favorite team will win a big game. 2. Gather new evidence. 1. What it is, observations or data that provide additional information about the situation. 2. Example: if you learn that the opposing team's star player is injured, this evidence might increase your team's chances of winning. 3. Update your belief. 1. What it is, combine your prior belief with the new evidence to form an updated probability. 2. Example: after learning about the injury, you might now estimate a 50% chance of your team winning. Applications of Bayesian thinking in everyday life. 1. Medical diagnoses. 1. Scenario: a doctor starts with a prior probability of a disease based on its rarity. 1. After reviewing test results, they adjust their belief to determine the likelihood of the disease. 2. Why it matters. This approach minimizes misdiagnoses by incorporating both prior knowledge and new data. 2. Decision-making in business. 1. Scenario: a marketer launches a new campaign and observes customer responses. 1. Based on these results, they refine their strategy. 2. Why it works. Bayesian thinking allows businesses to adapt quickly to real-time feedback. 3. Personal relationships. 1. Scenario: you suspect a friend is upset. 1. If they avoid texts and seem distant, you gather evidence and update your belief about their mood. 2. Why it's helpful. This method helps you approach situations with empathy and adaptability. Benefits of Bayesian thinking. 1. Encourages flexibility. 1. You're not stuck with your initial assumptions. 1. Bayesian thinking allows you to adapt as situations change. 2. Reduces bias. 1. By focusing on evidence, you minimize the influence of emotions and cognitive biases in decision-making. 3. Improves predictive accuracy. 1. Bayesian thinking helps you make more accurate predictions by continuously refining your beliefs. Challenges of Bayesian thinking. 1. Requires effort. It takes time and practice to gather evidence and adjust your beliefs. 2. Dependence on quality evidence. Poor quality information can lead to inaccurate conclusions. 3. Mathematical basis. While the concept is intuitive, applying Bayes' theorem mathematically can feel complex. Pro tip: you don't need to calculate probabilities perfectly, focus on the mindset of updating beliefs logically. How to apply Bayesian thinking in your life. 1. Identify your prior beliefs. 1. Start by recognizing the assumptions or probabilities you already hold about a situation. 2. Seek reliable evidence. 1. Look for new data or information that can challenge or confirm your prior beliefs. 3. Update gradually. 1. Adjust your beliefs incrementally as you gather more evidence, rather than jumping to extremes. 4. Embrace uncertainty. 1. Understand that probabilities are never absolute. 1. Bayesian thinking is about managing uncertainty, not eliminating it. Actionable takeaways. 1. Practice identifying your prior beliefs before making decisions. 2. Gather new evidence and ask, how does this change what I know? 3. Use Bayesian thinking to approach problems flexibly and logically. Bayesian thinking is more than just a mathematical formula, it's a powerful mindset for navigating an uncertain world. If this video inspired you to think smarter, like, share, and subscribe for more tips on critical thinking and decision making. See you in the next one.